Hi, this is Naveen Waghle from Montford International Education. When we started to register our RTO, we didn't know anything about RTO, and we came across with Ben, who runs BET Advisory Consulting Group, and we had an initial meeting, and then we felt very comfortable to deal with him, and he has a lot of industry knowledge. He guided through us all the journey, and he's really confident, working in our industry for long, helping a lot of clients to get through this registration process. And yeah, it's been really pleasure working with him, and we got a lot of support, a lot of training, preparation, coaching and classes, and now we are finally registered from ASQA. Well, if you guys looking to register RTO, have a chat with Ben. He's a fantastic guy, and he is a wealth of knowledge, and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy having a chat with him. Thank you.
Get your RTO registered the right way. Book your free consultation today. Call us today.